Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the Harappan civilization. It is also a part of your history syllabus in class 12th. The first chapter, Bricks, Beads and Bones. So this chapter deals with Harappan civilization, the oldest civilization in India as well as in the Indian subcontinent. So here we have some evidences about the Harappan civilization, which is also called Indus Valley civilization. So the Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization are the same. These two names refer to the same civilization, and it is one of the oldest civilization of the world. Now this civilization flourished in India, in the Indian subcontinent, around 2500 before Common Era. And it was generally in the areas which are now in Pakistan: Montgomery, in Pakistan. So it is named as Harappa. By the historians, and on this name, the name of the civilization is derived. So here we observed that Montgomery, which is now in Pakistan, was the place of origin of Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization originated in this area, Montgomery, and Harappa is the name given to the place by the historians. So the civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. Another area which was discovered by historians were Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro was the area in Larkana district of Pakistan. So this place also has historic importance similar to Harappa. Now we can observe that the civilization flourished in the areas of West India, modern day Pakistan, and some parts of Afghanistan also. So here the scope of extent of civilization was vast, and it flourished around 2500 before Common Era to 3500 before Common Era. It was usually existed nearly about 5000 years ago from today's date, from today's times. So today we see that this civilization is the oldest civilization, and it appeared to be the national treasure for both India and Pakistan, because both the countries are now have this legacy from the past.